Spectrum Fiber Internet Review: Real Speed, Pros and Cons. Today I'm going to show you everything you must know so you can decide in minutes whether this service is actually worth your money. If you've been wondering what the real speed feels like, how stable it is, and whether the pros outweigh the cons, this breakdown will save you from guessing or signing up for something you might regret. When I tested Spectrum Fiber, I focused on real world performance, not the advertised numbers. The download speeds were consistently close to the plan rate even during peak hours, so streaming, browsing, and video calls stayed smooth. Upload speeds, while much better than traditional cable, are not symmetrical, meaning uploads are still lower than downloads, unlike full fiber providers such as AT&T Fiber or Verizon Fios. Still, for everyday use like cloud backups, social uploads, and work meetings, the upload performance was stable and didn't cause interruptions. Latency was low enough for gaming and remote work to feel responsive, which is a major improvement compared to older Spectrum cable plans. Now for the pros you'll actually notice. Installation is simple and the equipment works immediately without complex setup. Reliability was solid throughout testing with no random disconnects or sudden drops in speed. Inside the home, Wi Fi coverage is good, especially if your router is placed in an open central spot. And one of Spectrum Fiber's biggest strengths is consistency. Multiple devices can stream, game, and work at the same time without the connection slowing down. For most households, the performance feels fast and stable all day. But there are still a few cons to consider. Spectrum Fiber availability remains limited and is still rolling out city by city, so you might not have access yet depending on your area. Upload speeds, while improved, are still not fully symmetrical like other fiber providers, something power users will notice. Pricing is decent but not the cheapest, and customer service can vary depending on your region. Some users report fast support while others experience delayed responses. Overall, Spectrum Fiber is a strong upgrade from cable and a reliable option if you want fast, stable internet for work, streaming, gaming, or family use. Based on real world testing, the experience feels consistently smooth with very few interruptions. If you're comparing providers or trying to avoid a slow connection, this updated review gives you a clear picture of what to expect before signing up.